The ground is shifting under the feet of every medical device manufacturer in the United States. In the first quarter of 2026, the FDA's new Quality Management System Regulation, or QMSR, has fundamentally altered the landscape of regulatory oversight. This isn't just another update to the paperwork trail. It's a profound change that aligns U.S. quality standards with the international benchmark, ISO 13485. For years, companies have operated under the assumption that certain high-level discussions were shielded from direct regulatory view. That assumption is now obsolete. The single most critical change is that FDA inspectors now have unprecedented access to previously protected company records, specifically management review documentation. These are the minutes from meetings where your C-suite and leadership teams discuss quality objectives, analyze data, and make strategic decisions about product risk. This change moves the concept of a quality culture from a corporate buzzword to a legally auditable framework. Let's consider a real-world scenario. Imagine a device company based in Irvine, California. In their Q4 2025 management review, they identified a recurring issue with a component from a key supplier. The team debated the cost and time involved in switching suppliers versus the perceived low risk of patient harm. They decided to continue monitoring the situation and document the potential risk. Before February 2026, that internal discussion and its cost-benefit analysis would likely have remained behind closed doors. Today, an FDA inspector can walk in and request those exact meeting minutes. If a single adverse event is linked to that component, those documents are no longer just internal notes. They become a clear record of management's awareness and their subsequent actions, or lack thereof. This new reality places immense pressure directly on executive leadership. The responsibility for quality is no longer siloed within the quality assurance and regulatory affairs departments. It is now a documented, transparent executive function. Companies must immediately reevaluate how they conduct and document their management reviews. Every decision, every risk assessment, and every allocated resource is now part of the official record, open to scrutiny. The key to navigating this is not to be more secretive, but to be more robust, proactive, and diligent in addressing quality issues at the highest level. The way you operate in the US market, and by extension the global market, has changed for good. If you have questions about how these new regulations impact your global strategy, feel free to email or visit Pure Global.